In this video, you'll learn how to build a mobile app backend using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional backend that can process requests and integrate AI-powered features. Begin by opening your terminal. First, create a new directory for your project by entering the command mkdir mobile backend. This action sets up a folder named mobile backend in your current directory. Next, navigate into this folder by typing cd mobile backend. Now, initialize a new node.js project by executing npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file, which is essential for managing your project dependencies. Next, you need to install the required packages. For this project, you will use Express as your API server and the Claude Code SDK for AI-powered endpoints. To do this, type npm install express.claude code in your terminal. This command installs these packages and adds them to your package.json file, enabling you to use them in your application. After installing the packages, create a new file named .dev in your project directory. This file will store your environment variables. Inside this file, add the line clado_API _ke =, your _Claude API _ke and port =5. Ensure you replace your _real_Claude API key with your actual Claude API key. This configuration allows your application to securely access the API key without hard coding it into your source code. Now create a file named server.js in the project directory. Open this file in your code editor and start by requiring the necessary modules. Add the line require config to load the environment variables. Next, initialize Express by adding const express equals require express and create an instance of it with const app equals express. Configure your application to use JSON by calling quote_app.use express.json. Continue by initializing the Claude SDK with the line const Claude acquire Claude Code and create an instance using your API key. To confirm that your backend is running, set up a test route by adding app.got raw rare ixold red said send mobile backend is running. This route will respond with a message when accessed. After creating the AI route, add a post endpoint to handle text analysis, ensuring to check if the required text is provided in the request body. To start your server, add the code const port =process.n, port vertical bar 5000 at port, console.log server running on http://localhost node. This starts the server on the specified port. To run your backend, execute the command node server.js quote in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message confirming that the server is running. You can test your routes by using a tool like Postman or curl. For the GET request, access http://localhost 5000/ to see the response, mobile by asand. For the post request, send a JSON body with your text to http://localhost 5000 I analyze and receive AI insights from Claude. This interaction demonstrates how your mobile backend is now functional and capable of processing requests. To integrate this backend with your mobile app, you can use a function like fetch. For example, use const response equals await fetch localhost $5,000 and method post headers content type application/JSON content type application/JSON a body JSON. This allows your mobile application to communicate with the backend and receive AI-generated insights. As you continue to develop your application, consider extending the backend by adding features such as authentication with JTT, a database like MongoDB or PostgreSQL, and additional AI endpoints for summarization, classification, or code generation. Finally, think about deploying your application on platforms like Railway, Vercel, Heroku, or AWS to make it accessible online. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.